Everyone, welcome into SQL. Today in this video, I am going to show you Test Case Studio, a simple Chrome extension that automatically records your actions on a website and convert them into a well-structured test steps. Instead of manually writing every step, you can just perform your actions and tool will generate test case for you. It's especially helpful for beginners, manual testers, and even experienced QA engineers who want to speed up their workflows. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and search test case Selenium ID. Click on this link, test case studio Selenium ID Chrome web store. Click on this link. After clicking on this link, you can view this extension test case studio. Scroll down and here you can view record manual steps automatically. By using this extension, you can write steps automatically, and here you can view generate screenshots automatically. You can also generate a screenshot with test cases. This is the overview, and here you can view very simple steps to use the tool. Click on the test case studio logo in the toolbar, and first you need to add this extension. I will explain step by step how you can generate test case steps automatically by using this extension. So click on add to Chrome. After clicking on this add to Chrome, it will ask for you add extension or cancel. You need to click on this add extension. After clicking on this add extension, it will add this extension into a Chrome browser. It will add. Then I will explain how you can write the test cases by using this extension. As you can view here, test case studio installed successfully. Now we will write the test cases by using this extension. So first we need to open a website. Here we will search Parasoft Bank. Click on this one, and this is the login page. As you can view here, this is the login page. User needs to enter username and password and then click on login button for login. So open extension, click on this one, and here we can view this interface. First column steps, data, expected result, XPath, CSS selector, and screenshot. You can enable and disable this screenshot option. By using this extension, you can also find the locators. Suppose you want to find the locator for username, password, so it will automatically generate XPath and CSS selector. You just need to copy these locators and use in your script. Now we will record first test. So we will click on record screen. After clicking on record screen, we need to select option and share this screen. Click on share. Now first navigate to this URL, and search. We need to enter here admin. It will record each step. So click on login. As you can view here, login successfully. And now next thing we need to do here, open this one, and here you can view options, sharing, Parasoft Bank, stop sharing, and here you can view screenshot automatically captured by using this extension. So we will stop, and first step is open website. First we open website, and this is the data. For login into application, we need to enter username and password. You can view here, this is the username admin, and this is the password in encrypted form, and this is the data. And here click on login. Another option also available here, add columns. You can also add columns, but you need to upgrade to pro version. In our free version, you can perform this action. Now another option available here, you can click on this test case download. It will export into Excel, and another option available, execute steps in English as what, and Jira test rail. But you need to upgrade to Pro version if you want to use these options. Now click on test case, and test case automatically export into Excel. Open this one. Instead of writing manually each step, you can generate test cases by using this extension. Now, this is the OS Windows and version and resolutions. This is the time. In the first column, you can view test case step. This is the test case step, and this is the ID test case ID. Here you can view data, and this is the expected result. You can customize this test case report. You can also add expected result here, and other option available here. You can view this is the XPath, so you do not need to write the XPath manually. You just need to record your each steps, and it will automatically generate the XPath for you. And the last column, you can view CSS selector. You can also get this element by CSS selector. As you can view here, if you want to automate this login page, so we need to find this locator, username, password, click on login button. So you don't need to write the manually XPath. So that was Test Case Studio, a really useful tool for quickly generated test cases without putting into a lot of manual efforts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SPA World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.